Shout out to all my packet chasers. Packet chasers in the building. If you don't know, this is your sign to get your CCNA. Today we're going to be discussing how to configure and verify static routing. In our first example A, we have the configuration command for a default route, which is IP route O.O.O space O.O.O space 10.1.1.1, which means send everything here, meaning there. Next example up, we have the command to configure a network route, which is IP route 192.168.10.0 255.255.255.0 to 10.1.1.1. What that means is send everything in this class C subnet to there, 10.1.1.1. In our third example, we have a host route, which is IP route 192.168.10.10 space 255.255.255.0 space 10.1.1.1. What that means is it targets one device and is super specific, meaning send this specific IP address here. And last but not least, we have this example, which is a floating static route, IP route 192.168.10.0 space 255.255.255.0 10.1.1.1 space 200. And what this means is it's a backup route, and the higher the administrative distance means it's less preferred. Next, we're going to get into the verification commands. All right, so the commands that we're going to use to verify those actions are as follows. Show IP route, which this is going to list the routing table so you can see where specific packets are to be routed. Show IPv6 route. That's for all of you that use and have IPv6 addresses on your networks. Ping. That stands for Packet Internet Groper, and it allows you to see if you can signal or if you can talk to an IP addressed in a faraway autonomous network. That's how people use ping a lot to verify that their configurations were configured correctly. And then we have trace route, which we use to trace the specific hops that the packet is taking along the way to the destination. I'm going to say this like I always say, you must study each and every day to get your CCNA. And if you'd like to join us on our journey towards the CCNA certification, make sure you click on the link below and become a member of our Packet Chaser Patreon study group. I appreciate each and every one of you for coming through today to check out this video. Shout out to all my packet chasers. Packet chasers in the building.